Hello children, today we will do English grammar, articles. Three types of articles, a, and the. ये a और and singular noun के साथ use होते हैं and the is used with singular and plural both but for particular. But before that we should know vowels and consonants before we use these articles. This is the alphabet, English alphabet. Yes, A, B, C, D, all these are English alphabets. Now, these are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Yes, these are vowels. और जो बच गए हैं vowels को हटाने के बाद, they are consonants. Now, we will see कि vowels के साथ an लगेगा और कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ क्या लगेगा a. नाउ आर्टिकल ब्रदर्स, ये a है, ये a है एंड ये द है. दीज आर कॉल्ड आर्टिकल ब्रदर्स, है ना. नाउन, ये तीनों नाउन को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, नाउन के लिए यूज होते हैं a एंड. ये सिंगुलर के लिए यूज होते हैं a और एंड. और द जो आर्टिकल है वो सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों के लिए, फॉर बोथ इट इज यूज्ड. नाउ वी विल सी द यूज ऑफ ए. यस, सी नाउ वेयर वी विल यूज ऑल आर सिंगुलर. वी विल सी द यूज ऑफ ए. These are used with consonants, words which begin with consonants. ये सब consonants हैं. See, a bus, it is starting with B. A cow, starting with C. A girl, starting with G, consonant. A zoo, starting with Z, consonant. Now we will see an. An is used with vowel sound. Yes, the vowel sound uses an, an. And umbrella, U is a vowel. And octopus, O is a vowel. And ink bottle, I. And elephant, starting with E, vowel. Now all these are three articles. We studied a and n, now we will do the. Now we will see together. This is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. A is used for single thing, एक stall. A and और the stall मतलब जो वापस use हो रहा है stall तो the use होगा. Okay, if we are using second time तो उसको specify करने के लिए the use होता है. Now let us revise, children. A and first we will see an is used before the sound of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Apple. So apple starting with A. तो इसके आगे क्या यूज होगा A and. Now elephant. Elephants की spelling starting with E. Yes, sound of vowel. So we will use A and. Ice cream. Ice cream starts with I. So this is also the sound of vowel. So what we will use? Which article? A and an article will be used here. Next is orange. Orange spelling starts with O. Vowel sound again. So again we will use the article A and an. Now what is this? Umbrella. It is starting with U, again a vowel sound. So we will use A and an. Now we will see the use of A. Consonants. A is used with the consonants. Vowel को हटाने के बाद जो भी alphabet है, they are called consonants. Star. S से start हो रहा है ना? So a star. Now book starting with B. So this is also consonant. A book. Now this child starting with C. So consonant we will use a child. Woman starting with W. So we will use a, and all these are singular. So A and an is used with singular. Now the is used with specific or particular noun, and the is used with singular or plural noun, and the is also used when we use the same noun second time. जैसे the sun, it is specific. The moon, this is specific. The Taj Mahal, it is also specific. The dogs, यहाँ पे plural है, बहुत सारे dogs. The kids, many kids are there. The books, many books are there. So children, this is all about articles. See this video 2-3 times and do the exercise. Goodbye.